Technical documentation is essential for every product as it provides essential information about the product. This helps an intended audience to use your product, understand the processes. Technical documentation can create a clear resource that your team can refer to at any time. This will increase the productivity and efficiency. At Techstern, we believe documentation is essential in every step of the project's lifecycle. Our technical writers can help you with the kind of documentation you need, like required document, user guide, quality assurance document, API documentation, design specification document, architecture document, functional specification document, technical specification document, database document, test specification document, project traceability matrix, project release document, and more. Documentation can make or break the user experience. Let us work together to make yours coherent and usable. We have worked with small to large businesses to create documentation and increase the productivity and efficiency. Please get in touch with us for more details.